This insanely handsome boy is Windsor. You'll have to forgive my voice, or lack thereof. I actually have a cold. Making it hard to talk over all the dogs walking in the water. So Windsor came in and was actually pretty nervous at first. So we just had to go in over and over again and kind of let him get out as he wanted. And we found putting him on the leash and just really literally just kind of like holding on to it. Mostly for when he's in the deep end. Helps his confidence a little bit. Even dogs that love the water, sometimes the first time in the pool, it being indoors, heated, not being able to just walk right in, and then the echo on a new person, sometimes can be a little bit much, but as you can see now, I feel like it's stopped wagging. Has kicked some of the toys around and picked one up, but otherwise hasn't been too crazy interested in them. Come here. Come here. And I'm not sure if he's been swimming before, but if he has, I assume it probably was like a lake or a beach or something where, yes, good job. That's the first time he's done that by himself. Come on. Where you can probably kind of just walk right in and not have to worry about steps and things of the, good. You're good. Oh, this is the hard part. So we have steps here, and we let him just sort of feel his way the first couple times. And that was the first time he voluntarily put his paws down on himself and kind of puts towards me. What, this? I'm looking at it. There you go. So he did it himself again. Great. Come here. Take it from this way. Come here. There you go. Yes. Right in. Right in. Go to the big toy together. Good. I thought he was going to grab it. Oh. Good job. Good job. So we'll keep going for a little while. Come here. I know. You're smelling cookies over there. Come here. Quite a bit. So I'll keep on for the next like 15 minutes or so, and he is going to sleep like a little baby tonight. Right, Windsor? Hi. Hi. You're such a love. You're such a love.